everyone, welcome to the Global Mindset University. Today we're gonna deep how to resolve an error while creating a YouTube account. You might have an error just like this, so we're gonna show you how to resolve that. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And my name is Ashadi Rashid.
Everyone, if you haven't yet subscribed to the Global Mindset University, make sure you subscribe. So today, let's go ahead and start how we can fix this kind of error, Sharia.
So let's go ahead and fix this kind of error. First, we have to log into our internet.
Yes, that's the most important thing. Make sure you have a good internet connection. So as you can see here, we are going to switch from internet provider one to the other one. So to make sure we have a good internet connection. The next thing, what we need to do, we're gonna show you here in a little bit. So as you can see right here, we have tried to log into our Gmail and also come to our YouTube, okay? Because the Google, which is the Gmail that you logged in, is already connected with your YouTube. So even if I switch to my YouTube from my Gmail, it's not even letting me in. So I can still see the error. So as you can see, I'm keep trying to go to my Gmail and then right there my YouTube. Even if I clicked it, I still have the error encountered while attempting to create a YouTube account, and if it say please try again later. So this is like kind of an issue. It is not really related with your problem with your Gmail or with your internet account, but this is primarily because when you create a given YouTube account, especially when you are creating a YouTube account, you might delete your YouTube account, and then later on when you try to reach to a YouTube, so you will have this kind of issue. So the issue, you see, we need to go back and forth to understand clearly why this is happening. Now let's go ahead and do another deep in here.
To resolve this issue, you'll have to log into your email account.
Yes, so primarily when you log into your creator account, we're gonna show you how we can log into our YouTube creator account. So you need to log in there, and once you logged in, you'll be able to easily access the YouTube. So to do that, we need to come here under our browser because we keep having this issue. So we need to go to even right here telling us that something went wrong. Our YouTube must be clogged. That's what it's telling us. Now let's go ahead and log into my Gmail account right here. This is connected to my YouTube, which is my Gmail account. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. What am I gonna try to do is log into my Creator account, Creator Academy. So as you can see here, the Creator Academy, I'll be able to log in. Now I'll be able to successfully log in, and as you can see right here at the top, I have the Global Mindset Creator account. So where I can see here, I can be able to switch to my YouTube easily. So bear with me, I'm gonna quickly show you how we can go to my YouTube now. I already be able to resolve the issue because I logged in now to my creator, and from my creator I can easily go to the Global Mindset University YouTube channel with no issue. So here we go.
Creator Academy, we're able to resolve to go to the YouTube channel. Let's go to our YouTube channel right now. Okay.
So now we can here go to the YouTube studio, and now there is an error still. Okay, you can see that there is an error. So let's go to our academy here. From the academy, we're just gonna write directly YouTube now. So when you write YouTube, there is no issues. You can see we'll be able to visit the YouTube's over here, and now we need to switch our account to a new YouTube account that we created, which is the Global Mindset University, because the other YouTube account doesn't exist and it's already deleted by the YouTube. So now we can easily go to the Global Mindset University and now be able to log in. So that's how you fix it, and I hope you guys get it. our YouTube accounts here, we can go ahead and take care of a couple of things like uploading the logo image, and also if you would like to add any links to our YouTube, here is where we can add some links. Like here I have added the Facebook and also Twitter account. So the other important thing is the channel URL. So as you can see right here, I have the channel URL here. I can copy the link, but I am not allowed to create a custom URL here. But for the time being, I have this one. There are some conditions and criteria to take care of that one later on. So we gotta go to the channel. Under the channel, you have the channel tag. So right here, I put it some channel tags, and if you go to the advanced tab, you will see a couple of more options like reviewing, connecting to your AdSense account, and also you can also click now to show you inappropriate words from any comment. Future eligibility, as you can see, this feature that require a phone verification, which is like uploading a video more than 15 minutes and having a custom thumbnail. So all those need to be taken, need to be okay right after you authenticate your phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and click verify the phone number. Once I click, I will prompt to put the phone numbers, then I will put here the United States, and I have two options, either text or call. In this case, I'll go ahead and select the text one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone number right there. So once I put my phone number, your YouTube account is now verified. So I put it the digits, and now I be able to verify my phone. As you can see right here, now I can be able to upload YouTube's more than 15 minutes and custom thumbnails, and I can also make a live stream. So those are the benefits once you verify your phone number. Awesome. The other thing, if you would like to have any custom title or descriptions and also tags as well, you can basically do that. Those are really important if you'd like to keep some of your works very easy. So here the banner image is still there. I have the picture, profile picture for the GMU. That's the one we just uploaded a few minutes ago. And trailers, these are all the playlists that we have under the global mindset university. We have got more than 44